Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always make sure your car is turned off and the engine has cooled down to avoid burns. It's also a good idea to wear protective gloves. This keeps oils from your skin off the new bulb, which can extend its lifespan. Now, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on your Ford Focus model, you might need to remove a plastic cover or a few screws to access the bulb. Once you have clear access, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling it straight off. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. This often involves a quarter turn or releasing a clip, so check your specific model's design. Once the old bulb is out, take your new bulb and insert it into the housing. Remember, do not touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Before you put everything back together, turn on your car and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall any covers or screws you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. For more great car tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.